Welcome address and honoring of guests. Midday Pau Namla Denang Rongmei Function Chairman Kabia Kangre Nagagan Pula Rongmei Sukamita.
Good afternoon, everyone. Honored Chief Guest, His Excellency, Most Reverend Dr. Prakas Sagili, Bishop of Khammam, Guest of Honor, Dr. Nzang Bonang Pamay, Repository of Tomato Genomics Resources, University of Hyderabad, our special invitees, Tanghu community, Maitai community, Lamkang community, ROH founders, leaders, and all our wonderful community members. And not to forget our two distinguished guests of tonight's program, Mr. Matthew Wong Kamai, a renowned Rongmei singer and songwriter, and Mr. Zanguangmai Mai, a celebrated director, screen actor, and Rongmei film industry. I warmly welcome them both. On behalf of Rongmei Organization Hyderabad, I, Namla Denang Rongmei, as the function chairman, extend a heartfelt welcomes to you all on this 9th Foundation Day, 22 September 2025. Railing tak mikau pai pau ronda thun kuai kanai mikau ani arise from Lintao Rongmei founders of Guai. How do Nindu Launa? Hipui Rongmei Puam Hai, Ling Palo, Tipi Pan, you wait me, Kangan Mana, Tunku, Mendao, Putuang, Kani, Tao Puna Bombay leaders to Guay, Kani Tuang Kaman, Kum May, Huang Gan Guay, that Alona. A side program by Teen to Naukang, Look Lutna, Tan Lau make Guay, Kani, died at Tunku Mendao. As we move forward with this today's celebration, let us carry the spirit of community and collaborations that has defined us for 9 years. Thank you once again, our chief guest, Most Reverend Dr. Prakas Sagili, and our guest of honor, Nzang Bonang Pamay. In honor of your esteemed presence today, we ask you to accept this small welcome gift as a token of our sincere appreciation. I would like to invite our chief guest to please come on the stage. Thank you so much. And I would also like to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Nzang Bonang Pamay, to come on the stage. And thank you everyone here for being a part of the story. We hope you have an inspiring and memorable time with us today. Please, round of applause. Now, without further ado, I finally welcome you all to the 9th Foundation Day celebration. Thank you.
Nungkuay Paunamla din gon my function chairman kamarina magway na ta riuso in everyone na kani magway na ta ngoy so in ngoy ngla ta tiulam meta habay da ka presidential address Pau Kalam Thai George Pamay ROH president kamarina kaganda ngong lolo putha.
ท่านมีกระกายมีกลางฟังสุดได้ So thank you for everyone. I would like to introduce all my leaders, the executive members to come over the stage to introduce themselves. นี่ไว้ตรง leaders ROH ตรง leaders กับไว้นะไว้ครับอยากให้คุณนันนิวไว้นันนิวไว้ต่อให้ใครถึงว่ามวยแต่เท่าๆสุดเหมือนไทยได้ไทยไงกลับนี่มีใส่ไว้ที่นี่ปีก็กาสนะเฮดบาร์ก็พุ่งว่ามวยได้ไหมเด้คุณนักนิวไว้นะคุณนักนิวตรงจันเลยนะคุณนิวตรง designation คุณนิวตรงรัมไม่ครับมาไว้นะผมนะintroduce หรอกนี่ไม่ครับซ้ำตัวใส่หน่วยมันใช่ไฮดรบาดก็บ้างเนี่ยกระทันกูด้วยนะคุณน่ะ leaders ลุ่นทายทางคุณน่ะคุณน่ะไม่ต้อง program activities คุณน่ะสโลว์ตรงนี้เด้ไม่ใช่
Hello. Hello. Nếu thôn phải đấy thôn để thế thì mấy bạn mới phải mấy người sáng nay đúng không? Còn mà dẫn hay liên quan cả mấy tuổi. Còn mà ROS link para cái bữa na ai hết mà members của mà mình đấy. Còn là at cái hay advisory board của bầm thâu là tao nên luôn của mà ROS some advisors from me. My name is Liang Kuang. People call me Liang, and I am the advisor of this Rongmei organization.
Basically, I'm from Oinamlong village, but we are living in Tamenglong town. I'm the executive members of ROH.
Advisor ni subang the, kumtan corona RCF tong pastor ni subang the, kumputo.
Guy Mikala.
Dr. Prakash, Bishop of Khamam. Anu tuang Jafong Sumai guest of honor in Janbonan Pamai. Azan Rina Thai Mai Samson. I basically Chalung Ko Chaiba. Akai Rongmei tuang. I go Hyderabad gun me last 2 years back. Ko the gotong the Guwahati na transfer guna. I tao ICICI Bank Towers regional office ko tai. Bombay deputy manager suna grade 2 ko. Atong department na compliance le management ko Bombay. Thau ko my banking industry ko knowledge lan hi mai ko my financial planning ko my tupui thai ni minai to.
Voi na ta gai Mikala. Azan to sa to salam de ke. Azan tha namla dinang gon mai ke tha. Ai na Tamenglong Doinong village ko tha. Ko nga atong post right na Vice President of ROH. Thank you.
My name is Rongmei from Rongmei. I'm from Tamenglong Serong village. Currently and presently I'm finance secretary in ROH.
Kaloi dana azan roi kin thui gai Peter Rongmei. Kamang teo hai oi General Secretary suna ROH from kuma Hongkong Mong the from the the.
Adan Roy Lupuli Rongmei, Hotel Suna ROH from executive Suna Pumam Pay, Oi Hai Tamenglong from Siluan Pay from Phuket.
Azan Rina Joel ka mai ke the. Ai rang khom thui the. Atau ROH ka executive kadi fundraise on coordinators na puna bang tha.
New Zulke village Nagaland.
I looked at project with it. I had joint secretary come cultural secretary from the government.
State Tamenglong district. Ramjan in number wrong to that is a village from the I have executive.
Rina Mukti Samje None district Kaurina Numa
Kawe, no, I go. Zilbam, district Kawe, Tungo.
Wang Pansini na, Buima Wang Pansini na, New Tong Arrow Heights Tong Executive Member Cousin Banto.
Okay. Freshers na gongma mai first time na gongma mai na ite kuma states ko palokam world na kuma jangwa lam dong ai. Gai thế cũng mấy cái na thế cũng là cái thầy tôi bom quay na cũng là states ko pading gì bom puni cũng là nên như quay còn hay tàu tính bom mình quay ha nên như quay còn leaders quay pay na cũng là sen ka chen du ko ta bom puni nên như quay còn leaders quay ye na how do not anyway Thai lo putho na kuma sa lo ni dong the my leaders way na Hyderabad au gai khang si khang pui pu kin su na way na ko kuma sa lo ni dong the kan ni way dong ro la kan ni way ha tan ma me sin de ki rok me zati ta kalung su lo na a ni rok me na way ka ani ka rak khat ga to ta lo ni de mai lung ning fire kalung ning ko ni mai song na kuma ta na mo way na kuma mo way no hu ko kuma ta lo ni the kuma mo way na kan ni way ding tho na ba ko lo ko ni standing ovation su la ko ni leaders to go cũng là anh ấy quay Hyderabad của Bama mình đã quay cũng là tạo anh quay freshers meet nó cũng mặc hay cũng giờ thì anh quay hay tụi nó foundation days nó cũng là anh quay nó mà xuống suy nó cũng là mà xuống mà mày gần thì thế mày nó quay cũng dạy là freshers quay asai ai rock mana thì nghe nó sẽ vòng nó mày cái thằng quay vòng quay của nó cũng là registration bam ko tuni kuma registration solo wo tuna kuma be tuna na kuma jai kwai long dong the anu wai dong ta history le anu wai rock organization